Well, hi everybody. Again, what we're going to talk about the markets should be very interesting here. Now, in terms of Nifty, again, the levels to watch would be somewhere around 10,500 as the next resistance. But then also as we go beyond that, 10,700 would be actually the next level to watch out for. What should be very interesting here is that what we saw yesterday was good sort of put writing basically being done by traders, and that usually is a sign that traders are not getting concerned that perhaps market could pull back or actually could start seeing a major correction here. Now 10,320 to 350, I think that is a support, and I think till the time we don't break that level, I think nothing changes for me. What I believe is that 500 should be crossed very soon, because I like the market breadth. I like the texture of the market. Mid caps, small caps, though actually all are looking very strong. There's good buying happening. In fact, new sectors are also emerging out. Yesterday, auto stocks again were looking very strong. From that context, I believe that markets actually are slated to move up. A lot of events are happening. Some new actually papers or graft cases actually those actually are emerging out, or basically Saudi Arabia, what's happening there. Oil prices actually are spiking up. Again, that basically something new events are happening. I think till the time there are no geopolitical concerns, I think markets are not ready to give up. So to me, what should be the strategy? Nifty, the bias is up. Any sort of muted start or subdued start, I think, should be bought into, because we are actually going to try and break 10,500. Now, in terms of bank Nifty, the bias is up, but I think there's a wait and watch because you're not getting private banks to participate here. So perhaps let's not actually be too focused on bank Nifty. Nifty is giving you that opportunity. In terms of sectors, auto, realty, metals, all are looking quite good here. Chemicals again looking very good here. In auto, what do I like? I like basically Tata Motors, Maruti, M&M. Especially Maruti basically is a very long-term breakout, which what it is looking like. 8,800, 9,000, those perhaps are on the cards. M&M again looking very strong here. So basically, auto companies are looking quite good here. In terms of what basically results I liked results like Case International, very strong results. Torrent Power, again, very strong results. In fact, good, strong margin expansion. Gulf Oil, steady, solid, rock solid results, good results for the company. NRB Bearing, very solid results. And then the best of all, AstraZeneca Pharma, solid rocket like growth in the profits, very strong results. So if I just name the stocks, Case International, Torrent Power, Gulf Oil, NRB Bearing, AstraZeneca would be my top picks in terms of the way results have come out. Just Dial, there's a lot of retail interest, but Just Dial, just be cautious. Profits look very high, very solid, but then there is no volume growth here. So while on the trading sentiment side, perhaps the stock could outperform, but I think it's best to stay away if there is no core operating improvement here. In terms of levels, again, we've just talked about for Nifty 10,500, 700, next levels support 10,320 to 350. Bank Nifty remains the same 25,950, 26,200, next resistance. Support remains deep 25,180. Which are the top bullish stocks? Which actually stocks saw very strong long open interest addition. Stocks like CAT once crosses 1800, very high upside there. ONGC again, basically stock is looking good for 208 to 212. Oil prices, those have rallied, clearly positive for ONGC stock, looking good. Tata Global again, along with Tata Chemicals because of the sale of phosphatic fertilizer business, again that is net positive for the company. So again, Tata Global, Tata Chemicals, both are looking quite good here. HDL, I think after a few sessions of good outperformance from DLF, HDL is now actually looking quite good. Good addition there. Maruti, M&M, Tata Motors, all I've talked about, all basically are looking quite good here. Now, those are the news again. If on the oil price you want to play on the rig companies, because those are small digit companies in price, I think those are speculative. There is no activity in rig companies. So it's your choice, but I think instead of rig companies, I would be playing on ONGC at least, and that's a direct play on profit growth here. Now, and lastly, again, what should I say in terms of the way trend is for the markets? I think the bias is up so far. So just be cognizant of that. And lastly, HDFC Life IPO. What is my opinion on it? It's not a listing gain IPO. If you want to play on listing gains and then run out, sell and go out, I think it's not for you. The IPO is very priced, very premium. I think more than 4 times. I think it's very premium valuation. So listing gains, just remember what happened with other insurance IPOs like SBI Life. For long term, high quality IPO, high return ratios, very solid, very good performance. Profit actually for the first 6 months, if I just extrapolate it, perhaps 30% growth in this year also could be on the cards. So on that, I think next 4 years the stock could double just if I just start actually adding premiums and premiums. The business basically could be looking quite good. Long term, good IPO. Listing gains, not a good choice. So overall, have a good day.